Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how to do box braids in 2 hours. This is my braiding pattern. I have 10 braids in the front and then like 6 braids in the back. This is my braiding pattern and this is the hair that I'm going to be using. It's by Afray. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I got it in the color 1B and then in the color 1B30 just to add highlights. The sides, I just curved them a little bit because I didn't want it straight. I just want it to look more natural. And I'm just going to loop the hair through as normal, and boom. There go one braid. Now, the length of these braids is 14 inch. I will link the, what is it called? The link to this hair in the description bar so that you guys can, go purchase it online. But I purchased mine from the store, so I ended up getting 5 packs of the black and then 1 pack of the 1B30 for the highlights. And as you can see, it's super easy. You just want to start, to make it look more natural, you want to start at the edge of your braid because you don't want that little, I don't know what it's called, but when you start behind the braid, you don't want to do that. So just make sure that you start actually at the front of the braid. And I just realized that I said 1B30. It wasn't a 1B30. It was the 1B27 because the 27 is lighter than the 30. So, yeah, I'm just going to continue to crochet them in like this. And then I'm just going to add a little color every now and then. I'm just going to add the little 1B27s throughout my head just to give it a little nice highlight. Now, the reason that I do the smaller braids in the front is because the smaller the braids are in the front, the more natural it's going to look in the front. You don't want like really big braids and really gappy in the front because that's just not going to look cute. The goal is to make it look as natural as possible. So that is what I'm trying to do here. I've did these before. I just haven't done them this short. I usually get like 18 to 20 inch, but I just need something quick that's going to last me a while because I don't want to be, doing my hair. Okay, so I've used my first pack of 1B. If you notice the packs that I got, it's supposed to be equaled up to 3 packs. I'm not sure, but yeah, it did the front of my head really nice. And I just have this one last braid in the front that I'm going to finish up, and then I'm going to do the back. Alright, so this is how it looks once I'm done. I need to add a little oil to the front of my edges, but anyways, as you can see, it looks really good. The front looks really natural. It's not gappy. I'm just going to go ahead and finish the back, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. So this is how it ended up looking in the back. It's super nice. Well, I said in the back, but at the end. But it's super nice and full. I ended up using all, let's see, I think I used all 5 packs of the black and then a half a pack of the highlights. I'm going to leave this in for a long time. I will be back to give you guys an update. This is the hair once again. I hope you guys like this video and subscribe. Talk to you later.